Building an emergency fund is an essential part of personal finance, and it's particularly important for beginners who may be starting to manage their own finances for the first time. Here are some steps you can follow to build an emergency fund. First is, set a savings goal. Determine how much you need to save for your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Second, make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account for your emergency fund. This will help you save consistently and make it easier to build your fund over time. Third, start small. You don't need to save the entire amount at once. Start by setting a smaller goal, like saving $50 or $100. Once you reach that goal, set another one, and keep building until you reach your ultimate savings goal. The idea is, start small no matter how much you earn per month, take a percentage of it to start. Fourth, cut expenses. Look for ways to reduce your expenses so you can free up more money to save. This could include eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding ways to save on utilities. Fifth, use windfalls. If you receive unexpected money, like a tax refund or work bonus, consider putting it into your emergency fund. Sixth, keep it separate. It's important to keep your emergency fund separate from your regular savings or checking account. This will help you avoid the temptation to spend the money on non-emergency expenses. Lastly, revisit and adjust. Periodically review your emergency fund and adjust your savings goals as needed. If your expenses change, you may need to save more or less to maintain an adequate emergency fund. By following these steps, you can start building your emergency fund and take an important step towards financial security. Thank you so much for taking time to check this video. You can check my channel for more money psychology videos, and please subscribe to my channel, as I am currently building more videos like this.